Can you answer this JavaScript interview question? What's the difference between let, const, and var? Take a few seconds to think about it. A common answer is var is old, let can change, and const cannot. While that's partly correct, it's not a strong interview answer and misses some important information. A strong answer would cover three key differences: scope, reassignments and redeclaration, and hoisting. Let's take a look at each one by one. First is scope. Var is a function scoped, while let and const are block scoped. That means let and const only exist inside the block where they are declared. Let's take a look at an example. Here we have an if statement, and inside it there are three variables that are declared using var, let, and const, and we are trying to access them outside the if statement and display the results in the console. We get the result from var, but let and const display error. Why? Because the if statement creates a block. Let and const stay inside that block, but var skips it. This is one reason why modern JavaScript prefers let and const over var. Let's look at the second difference, which is reassignments and redeclarations. Let's start with var. Here, in line 24, we are declaring a variable using var, and in line 25, we are redeclaring it. This works because var allows redeclaration. Now, if we look at let, this throws an error because let cannot be redeclared in the same scope. However, it can be reassigned like this. We are declaring a variable using let, and we are reassigning its value in the next line, and it works. Now let's look at const. This causes an error because const cannot be reassigned. So a good rule is use const by default. Use let only when the value needs to change. Avoid var in modern JavaScript. Now let's look at the third and final difference, which is hoisting. All three declarations are hoisted. But what does hoisted mean? Hoisting means JavaScript moves declarations to the top of their scope before the code runs. Let's look at var. Here, we are declaring a variable using var, and we are using it before its declaration. No error occurs here because var is hoisted and it only displays undefined. Now let's look at let. This throws an error. Same thing happens with const. Why? Because let and const are hoisted but cannot be accessed before their declaration. This period is called the temporal dead zone. So a strong interview answer would be var, let, and const are used to declare variables in JavaScript. Var is function scoped and allows redeclaration. Let and const are block scoped. Let allows reassignment but not redeclaration, while const allows neither. All three are hoisted, but let and const cannot be accessed before their declaration because of the temporal dead zone. In modern JavaScript, let and const are generally preferred over var. What would your answer be in an interview? Leave it in the comments and subscribe for more software engineering interview questions. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.